Hey, today I want to talk about engines that are used to repower lots of different pieces of equipment in the small engine area. Lawnmowers, rototillers, log splitters, mini bikes, go-karts, and it's arguably the most common engine is the Predator 212 from Harbor Freight. And sometimes though that 212 cc's is a bit too much engine. And so another alternative to a little bit less horsepower would be the 79cc Predator engine from Harbor Freight. Well, here's the problem that I have is I have to make just about a 2-hour round trip to pick up either one of these from my local Harbor Freight because it's not really that local. But let me introduce you to a new player in the game, at least to me. Right there is the GoPowersports.com small engine. And we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you what's in the box. Alright, let's get this thing open. We got the owner's manual. Spark plug wrench, and we got some interesting packing going on here. Wow. There we go. We are looking at the GoPowersports 98cc engine. Now, this is obviously a little bit more than the 79cc engine, but one of the best parts about this engine, yeah, it's a Honda clone like all these others, but this particular engine was only $80 from GoPowersports. Now, even with tax and shipping, this was still about 95 bucks shipped to my house, which was still less than the 79cc Predator engine before I paid taxes and took the time to go to my local Harbor Freight to get it. So there you go. I'm going to show you this new GoPowersports 98cc engine. I actually bought two of them, 80 bucks a piece. And here it is. Here is the GoPowersports 98cc engine. It's overhead valve. It does have that exhaust vent that's the same as on my Coleman engine that's on the Coleman mini bike, and I'll put a link to that in the description. We got a fuel on and off valve on this side, and I'm assuming this is for hooking up a kill switch, say like on a mini bike or a go-kart. But there it is. There's the GoPowersports 98cc engine. Again, it was less expensive than the Harbor Freight Predator engine at 79cc. So another option for you out there in the small engine repowering world. And thanks for watching.